Hello dear children. So today we are going to do reading comprehension. What is the meaning of reading comprehension and what are the points to be kept in mind while reading the passage and answering the following questions which are given below the paragraph, and again one sample paragraph will be given to you to solve. Okay children, so this is lesson number 25 from your grammar book. Okay, let's see. What is the meaning? Reading comprehension, it is the ability to read a sentence and understand its meaning. It is the ability to look at written words and process meaning or ideas behind them. Understand children? I think you people have done it in the previous year also, and many a times we have been doing it. Yes, teacher gives you a paragraph and you will have to read it, understand the hard words meanings, and then give the answers to the questions which are given below. Okay. So this is the comprehension. Comprehension means understand. What you read, what you read, you will have to understand that. Now let's talk about 12 ways to improve reading comprehension. Many children, even many people are facing problems while reading and answering the questions related to that text. So there are certain ways in which we can improve our reading skills. Okay children, so let's see. First is find books you like. I know my children are very fond of comics, very fond of stories, fairy tales. So there also you can read well. Just choose your favorite books. It may be the science magazines, it may be the fairy tales, yeah, it may be the fiction, it may be the novel, maybe the imaginary stories, yeah. Next, you have read aloud. Whatever you are reading, put the habit of reading aloud for better understanding. Next, skim the heading of the text. Skimming means reading something quickly. Yes, reading something quickly means to understand it, to get the overview. Yes, overlooking something and getting the meaning. Skim. Okay, next, reread sections that are confusing. The sections, the part which is confusing, you should reread it. It means again you should have to read that text. Next you have use a ruler or a finger to follow along. Yes, many a times teacher also says in the classroom, students, just put your finger below the word, below the text which you are reading. Yeah, so you may take the help of your finger, point finger, as well as ruler. Okay, write down words you don't know. Discuss what you have just read. Recap and summarize the main points. Recap, it means you will have to recap, or you will have to revise whatever the points you have read. Okay, next you have write down questions about what you don't understand. Use different formats. Identify reading problems. Where are you lagging behind? Where are you facing the problem? Just mark it out. Make some points regarding that. Get a reading tutor. Yes, tutor means who will teach you how to read or giving you some reading comprehension samples. There are many tutors available like Oxford, Cambridge. Yeah. So let's see what's next. Okay, here is a sample reading comprehension. I've taken it from your book itself, Birbal's Wit. It's a beautiful story. Let's read the story. Birbal was one of the Navratnas of Akbar's court. He was known far and wide in the city of Agra for being as wise as an owl. People would visit him in large numbers to get solutions to their problems. Once, a rich merchant went to Birbal and told him that he had been robbed by someone. He suspected one of his servants had committed the theft. He requested Birbal to help him catch the The next day, Birbal went to the merchant's house and called all the servants. He gave them a stick each and told them that all the sticks were equal in length. He then added, "These sticks are magical. The thief's stick will grow 2 inches longer at night." Keep in mind. So keep the sticks with you through the night and bring them back to me in the morning. The next morning, Birbal visited the merchant again. He called all the servants and asked them to return the sticks. All the sticks except one were of the same length. Only one stick was shorter by 2 inches. Birbal knew immediately who the thief was. He pointed out the thief to the merchant and said, "He foolishly cut his stick short by 2 inches, fearing that it would grow longer than the others. All the sticks are normal sticks. I lied about them being magical." The merchant thanked Birbal for his help and said, "What people say about you is true, Birbal. You are indeed one of the cleverest men in the land." Isn't it interesting story? Okay, now let's see what's there. Children, I have taken multiple choice questions here. Options are there, MCQs. A. Birbal was famous for being a rich man, a wise man, a kind man, an arrogant man. Yes. Which option will you select? For that, you will have to read it independently and get the options. Yes? Okay, here I would also help you. Option C. Is that okay? Yes, he was a wise man. He was famous for being a wise man. Number 2. People went to Birbal for A. To borrow money for him. B. To learn magic from him. C. To ask him about the king. D. To get solutions to their problems. What do you think? Yes, absolutely correct. Your option is D. To get solutions to their problems. Let's see what next. Third, the merchant said that. Now, what was the merchant's problem? Why did he come to him? A. He had been robbed by someone. B. He had been cheated by someone. C. He had been threatened by someone. D. He had been tricked by someone. What do you think? Where can you find the word, keyword, robbed? Wherever you are finding such words, you will have to just search in the passage. Where are these given? These are the keywords. Okay? So A, option A is the correct option. He had been robbed by someone. Fourth, Birbal gave a stick to each of the merchant's relatives. B. To each of the merchant's sons. C. To all the neighbors of the merchant. D. To each of the merchant's servants. Yes, here also option D is the correct option. To each of the merchant's servants. Children, what is the meaning of merchants? Merchant means a businessman. Yeah? Okay. Number 5 is Birbal found that one of the sticks was A. 3 inches shorter than the others. B. 2 inches longer than the others. C. 2 inches shorter than the others. D. 5 inches longer than the others. Now, what do you think? What happened to one stick? Yes, it was 2 inches shorter than the others. Okay, children? So I hope that in this way you will start practicing the reading comprehensions. Again, some more comprehensions are given in your book. You will have to practice and remember all the important points while reading. Make the notes and again write the meanings of hard words. Like here we can find merchant, tricked, threatened. These are not available in the text, but still, yeah, such words should be in your memory. Again, let's have a look of that paragraph once again. Let's see the hard words. Okay, which hard words can you find here? Any? Okay, here we can find superlative degree, cleverest. We are learning grammar as well. Okay, again you have foolishly. Okay, let's see what's in the next one, previous one. Here, any hard word? Magical. Magical is a hard word. Okay. So, children, in this way, just note down all the hard words. You can mark them out and answer to the questions. Here some more questions are given. What did the merchant ask Birbal to do for him? What did Birbal tell the merchant servants about the sticks? What happened when Birbal met the servants the next day? How did the thief give himself away? Okay, so such questions you can write in your notebooks. Okay, so here we would like to end up this topic and see you with the next topic, new topic. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you, children. Bye bye.